Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. So guys, if you need to remove Yahoo search engine, so guys if you have the problem your Google search engine redirect to Yahoo search, so possible way to resolve this problem. Firstly, open Chrome browser. Now here click on these three dots. Move cursor to more tools. Click on extensions. So here guys you will see any third party extension which you not recognize, so just remove it. If you see any stranger extensions, so remove it. So this is the first method. Second one, again click on this three dot. Now settings. Now here click on reset and cleanup. Now here click on cleanup computer. Find harmful software. Chrome can find harmful software on your computer and remove it. So just click on find. Now wait for few seconds. Now here guys you will see no harmful software found. So this is the second method. And third method, click on start, then settings. Now here click on privacy and security. Click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. And here guys you will see the option full scan. So turn on full scan. Click on scan options and select here full scan, then scan. And guys, if you have any antivirus, so it will work for you and it will remove all type of virus from your PC. So this is the possible way guys to resolve and to fix Chrome problem. It will redirect to you Yahoo search. So thanks for watching and comment any method work for you or not.